Hey, honey.
Hey, let's pray together, please.
Okay. I mean, you know, I didn't catch it. What? What happened? Get up, get up. Okay. 20,000.
I've done my sentence, but committed no crime. And bad mistakes, I've made a few. I've paid my dues, time after time. I've done my sentence, but committed no.
Want to borrow some money?
Sulaiman.
Ito kayo ni.
Sulaiman.
Ito kayo ni. Ano pinang?
I don't have money, so I want to borrow from you. May I?
Send me maybe? Is it not?
Send it.
Alright, man. Get the paper. Okay, man. Hiya, man. I don't miss time. You know all that. Okay, what?
This one.
Alright. Here this is. Huh? And this. This one. And then you take on this. Alright. And this is check. I think it's enough for you. 10 million in dollar, you know? In the dollar.
Thank you, thank you.
Alright,
Thank you very, very, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Kami.
So, I cannot pay it now. I don't have money. Please give me more time.
Hi, baby. Afternoon. Hello. Hey.
This is the top.
Dato. Afternoon.
What happened? I just looking on this over there. I don't know what is there. Why? No, Jimmy, không bad, nó bad. Thì nó sweet. How about that? I did. Oh, alright. Good idea. Okay. Sissy, come here, please.
Yes, baby. Yeah.
I want to tell you something that about Dato. Dato wants to marry you.
I don't know already.
We cannot. I must pay my debt. But I don't have money, so I want to marry you to settle my debt.
No. No. I don't know already. How can you do me, baby? Oh. What happened? I don't know already. I don't know.
I can settle my debt. So, also want to marry me. So we can settle about our debt.
Maringi.
That's good idea. I want to eat.
Are you scared?
Oh, no, I'm not insane. Do you know that Dato Maringi is rich in handsome?
No, I don't love him. You know?
I don't know, what do you think? Do you still love John Con?
Yes, of course. I love him, you know?
Oh.
What?
My father was I married to Dato Maringi.
I don't know about that.
How about our relation?
Maybe I can get some help for your father.
Okay. I hear about again. What is that true?
What's that? But
John, you agree to spy with one of us? Doing.
Exactly, I'm not surprised. But I have a deal with Sir Sulaiman.
What is of deal? Yeah, what is of deal?
The deal is Sir Sulaiman sold his daughter to me because he cannot pay me the deed is many months, you know.
Oh shit. Oh shit, no. I don't want to be number, I don't give the number two. Is that not enough? You get father and finance wife for you. You promise me you don't will get married again.
I'm sorry, but a deal. Still love both of you. We're done, right? Alright, Sir Sulaiman.
Child! You stupid! Shut up!
Stop right there! Stop right there! Stop! I bring my phone. Come here! Here, I present you the prince from China, Prince Chongping.
Who are you? What's you?
You can use translate.
He said, good afternoon and sorry.
Hi, my name is Chong Peng, and this is my bodyguard. His name is So,
This is the board.
that's 24 carats.
It's real?
That's real. Exchange quality for my assumptions.
Excellent quality. I like that.
Several amount.
Thank you. Okay? Then, that is clear, right? Right. Okay. I think he does clear. Okay, thank you. I think it's alright. Oh, alright.
Thank you for business.
Thank you, too.
So after 6:34, after I have paid for myself, then I will get the city area. So I will do, I will check the time. What I will do? What is good? I will do? Good. Thank you. Okay, then we can talk to class. Please, move, step, and eat. Also, dancing at home or anywhere else. It's performed only by the professional dancers. Don't begin by just in the video. It's just that. That's all. Got it?